This is part 1 of the interior move-in condition report for 978 Yachtsman Way on Wednesday, August 15th, 2018. Starting in the living room, the walls are undamaged. Each window has an undamaged screen and undamaged horizontal blind, fabric curtain, and you have these curtain covers. Window. This one's just pushed up. Curtains. The back sliding screen door. The door is kind of an interesting one. You just pull this down. The key has to be in, and then you push it open. It also has a little turnable knob. The sliding screen does have some light fraying there and there. You do not have blinds on the window, but you do have these fabric curtains as well as the cover. The hardwood floors do have a few scuffs, some light scratches. They do show some signs of wear. The fireplace is undamaged. It's been cleaned out. In the dining room, the walls are undamaged. Windows have undamaged screens, undamaged horizontal blind, these fabric curtains and cover. The carpeted floors are undamaged. I do see one small stain right here. The light fixture is undamaged. I'm not sure if this is just me or if it has a separate thing, but for some reason that does not stay on. In the kitchen, the walls are undamaged. Each window has an undamaged screen, undamaged horizontal blind, fabric cover. There is some sort of marks or sticky stuff on this window. The fridge and the freezer, some marks on the interior here. Crack. Just a little pink stain. Doors, no damage. The dishwasher is undamaged. The cabinets and the countertops are also undamaged. The garbage disposal is operable. Switch is right here. The sink is also undamaged, operable. You do see some chipped paint right here, and here. The microwave is undamaged. Plate is undamaged. The oven shows some signs of wear on the stovetop area both on the burners. On the control panel, you can see it's starting to fade a little bit on the knobs, but is undamaged. Oven is undamaged. The linoleum tiled floor is also undamaged. The guest half bath on the first floor, the walls are undamaged. It has this wallpaper. The sink is undamaged. The faucet does show some signs of use and wear. The toilet is undamaged. The tiled floor is also undamaged. In the laundry room, both the washer and the dryer are undamaged. The walls are undamaged. And the linoleum tiled floor is also undamaged. The air filter is a 16 by 20 air filter. The current one has a little bit of life left in it. You also have an additional one left by the owner for tenant use. We recommend checking it every 3 months and replacing it as needed. Just pull that knob up, pull it out, put the new one in. In the first floor, full bath, or full bedroom, the walls are undamaged. The sliding door has an undamaged screen. You do not have a window treatment or curtain or anything provided. The door is the same in the living as it is in the living room. You'll just have a key you put in there, pull this out, pull it down, and then you have a separate knob. The window on the left has an undamaged screen and undamaged horizontal blind. The window on the right has an undamaged screen. Horizontal blind has a few bent slats. The carpeted floors are undamaged. Additionally, some provided shelving in the closet space. This concludes part 1 of the interior move-in condition report for 978 Yachtsman Way on Wednesday, August 15th, 2018.